those of you who don't know my channel, my name is Lewis. This is my 23 Donzi, and in this channel I just post up the real life of a boat owner. So this Donzi we bought about 2 months ago, and we got it for a great deal, but it didn't come with the trailer. This trailer belongs to one of my buddies, and he wants to go to Naples this weekend and wants to take his boat. He's currently keeping his boat in Isla Mirada, and I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow. But first thing I gotta do is take the boat off the trailer. I haven't been able to find another trailer locally for a decent price. I don't want to keep the boat in the water, and a dry storage is just way too expensive, way out of my budget. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So the best plan I can come up with for 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, is to put the boat on bricks. And I'm gonna be doing that by myself. I'm gonna be unloading the Donzi onto bricks, and I'm gonna be putting it in my backyard. That is, I'm gonna put it right there where my Checkmate is. This is my 1988 20-foot Checkmate that I completely built. Right now I have it tilted up like that for no water gets into it. But I'm gonna be pulling that Checkmate out, putting it in front of my garage because I have some work I want to do to it. There's a run that's coming up May 15th, and I want to take my Checkmate. So I took out the Donzi, parked it here for now. I'm gonna take out the Checkmate, park it right there, and then I'm gonna head to Home Depot, buy some bricks, and we're gonna be putting my boat on bricks by myself. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, share it to all your friends. Hopefully I don't end up in qualified captain or something. All right, so this is the first time I do this. I just been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and it's pretty simple. I don't see why it should be any issues. So all right guys, stay tuned. Let me start off by saying I have no idea what I'm doing. I just know I gotta take that trailer out. Alright guys, so it's a little sketchy, but what do you guys think? Comment down below. In theory, now that the back is up and the blocks are on it, once we lift this front tongue, the back should rest on the bricks. So sucks that I'm doing this by myself, but it is what it is. I have no idea what I'm doing, and it's still a trial and error. So don't try this at home. Just use this video for entertainment purpose only. Alright, if you guys can see, the boat's off the trailer and it's officially resting on the blocks. You guys can see that on camera? Perfect. So my theory worked, and I used my engine hoist to use the trailer to lift up the boat entirely. So now I just had to put those bricks down there and little by little be moving them forward. I have more bricks on that side. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. Hopefully we can move the trailer out, and then I'm gonna put some more safety stuff. But hopefully we can move the trailer out without it falling. Alright guys, so I came up with a different plan. Instead of putting the bricks in the bottom and moving them every time that I'm going to take out the trailer, I'm going to make I want to say a hoist, a stand or something, where it'll just sit on top of there, and I can use the eye hook, the front eye hook right there, to hook that up to the middle of that, and then it should be wide enough that the trailer should come out to the bottom. So hopefully my plan works. I haven't seen pictures of this done. I've seen some metal structures made, but never like this. So I'm going to use these brackets. I'm going to use some screws, right, with my washers, and put these brackets up here. I can just put there, two, down. It should work. I don't see why it shouldn't, right? And then I'm going to use these as a base support, and I'm going to put one bracket on each side to hold it down, make sure it doesn't come back and forth. I think that should be enough. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if what I built here works or not. It's been a long day. I've been doing this probably since 12 in the afternoon, and it's now the sun's going down. Look how far we are. This is sketchy. It's official. 6 hours later, the Donzi's off the trailer. And that's how you take off a boat by yourself in your backyard. I am sweating. I definitely need another beer, a shower, and to just chill. But hopefully it's not too dark and you guys can see that the Donzi is off the trailer. Alright guys, so you guys are not gonna be able to see me, so I'm gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to all your friends. Remember, don't do this at home. I have no idea what I was doing. This was very dangerous, very sketchy. I don't recommend this to no one. Hire somebody who knows what they're doing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the whole purpose, the only reason why I did it. I gotta go tomorrow and pick up a boat in Isla Mirada. I'm gonna try to be there for sunrise, so it's gonna be a good video tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned. Peace. Much needed, guys.